Hey guys, so I'm testing some different bulbs for the Halide lamps in the East Restore, and I want you guys to check out this. This is a 70-some watt Malgal base LED flood by Thinklux, I think is the brand name. Chris is holding it there. Here, hold that, Chris, so I can get the box. The garage is very crowded right now. We're getting some stuff out here. Yep, Thinklux, 100 watt replacement. Interesting. So it says 100 watt replacement uses only 70 watts, but anyhow, it's a zillion lumens, and we were just testing it before I take it to Habitat for Humanity. And on the kilowatt here, it uses 76 watts. Let's see how many amps it uses. Oh, high power factor. So Chris approves. Yeah, you can unplug it and take a look. Yeah, it's very bright. So this is one of the options we're going to try there tomorrow. But I'm excited about this one. I think this is the one they're going to want to go with. So, thanks for watching.